Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm going to decorate a page for my planner. Actually, I'm going to do a movie page, a Halloween movie page for my planner using this new Posh Halloween sticker book from Love Posh. This releases today along with these other items from the new fall release, so definitely check that out. It'll be linked down in the description with my affiliate link and discount code. So yeah, I'm gonna just use this book. I love Halloween, so I can't wait to use this sheet in my planner for this year. I always like to watch Halloween movies and Christmas, but first it's gonna be Halloween. So a little list of Halloween movies that I want to watch for this year. I have this little sticker right here that says Halloween movies. So we're just gonna label this page. Label this page. Up here with Halloween movies. Okay, and then I'm just gonna erase this little notes because it has the notes here. All right, and then I have these pages here. Look how cute this is with all the Halloween or the movie stuff. I like that. So we're gonna use some of these stickers to decorate this page. All right. So yeah, this book is really good. It's got lots of different Halloween themed stickers, and it also has some functional stickers too. All right, so I'm gonna just put some decorative stuff down, and then I really like this the movie poster is cute. It says Halloween movie night, and then I'll put boxes around. I'm gonna do the moon with the bats. I'll do that over here. And then so we have 2 pages. I like this Halloween Town. I actually like watching Halloween Town. Okay, let's do all the Halloween Town movies. So we'll put this over here. Let's see, maybe here. And then I really like this little scene of snacks. All right, now I'm gonna put boxes down, and then I'm trying to think of the movies that I would want to watch. Okay, these are great boxes for this. So, like I said, Halloween Town for sure. So I think there's 4 of the movies. I honestly only really like the first 3. Those are usually the ones I watch. There's a 4th one that has a different actress in it, and that one's kind of but I don't know, I might just watch that one just to finish the series. I'll put this one here, this one, you know, kind of want some different ones. Actually, no. All right, put this back. Okay, and then I could put stuff on top. So let me go back to the decorative stickers. Got popcorn, little movie reels. Let's do this little popcorn, bowl of popcorn. Look how cute it is already. So fun. Okay, and then I want to add some flowers. There's some flower stickers here. just to get some flowers on this side. Okay, let me look up some Halloween movies. Oh wait, I wanted to put in here. I'm gonna use pencil because I'm gonna use pencil first. All right, I'm gonna put Halloween Town. Oh geez, can I fit this all in here? Is Halloween Town one word? Let me see. Yeah, it is. Okay. Okay, that's why I'm going to use the pencil because I just want to be able to write it all together. Halloween Town. And then I can go over it with a marker. I'm going to put each one. I know it sounds kind of ridiculous, but we're just going to put each one. Halloween Town 2, Halloween Town 3, Halloween. I really like that series. Right, there's 4 of them. Yeah. Oh, it's called Return to Halloween Town. Let me put that. See, I'm glad I did write it out first. Halloween Town. Okay, I'm gonna write that one instead. Return to... Okay, that's better. All right, now I'm gonna look up a list. Halloween movies. Now, okay, for me, I do not like to watch like really scary movies. So my list is gonna be more like the fun Halloween ones, lighthearted ones, I guess you could say. Yeah, I really don't like scary movies. So I'm gonna do another, like, I wanna do a quote. Like horror, I don't watch horror movies. So I'll do this, something wicked, something wicked comes. Put it here. Okay, I just thought of another movie. Hocus Pocus, but only the first one. Yes. Hocus Pocus. Yeah, the second one's kind of eh, in my opinion. Hocus Pocus. I love Hocus Pocus. Okay, let's see what else is. I cannot think. Oh, like Addams Family. Oh, Beetlejuice also. Okay, so they're just like coming to my head now. Let's do over here. Okay, and then I'll do, what was it? Beetlejuice. I think that's spelled kind of funny. Oh, Nightmare Before Christmas. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna put Nightmare Before Christmas on this one. Nightmare Before Christmas. This is why I need a list, because I will forget these movies. Like, they're just, now that I'm looking at the list, I'm like, oh yeah, I want to watch that movie. Okay, Beetlejuice. in the movie they spell Beetlejuice's name different, but the name of the movie is spelled like how it sounds. So Beetlejuice. I'm just gonna spell it this way. Beetlejuice. Okay. Let me add some more decorative stickers down here. Honestly, that's like kind of like my Halloween list. Like, I don't like watching scary movies, so I'm limited to just like the nice Halloween movies. Let's do this like spooky lantern. I also like this little sign thing. Kind of like this skeleton hand. I usually don't like hands, but I think this skeleton hand's kind of funny with the remote. Let me move this over a bit. Also, there's these like little tickets. How cute is that? Okay, so now that I've figured out my movies, and I think everything's spelled right, and I think those are all the movies I want to watch. Right? Let me just check. Oh, a Casper. I haven't seen Casper in forever. I'm gonna put Casper in here because that's one that I always forget. That's such a cute movie. I'm gonna put it here. You need to see where you can find it actually, or watch it. Okay, we'll watch Casper. Casper. All right, I think that's all I can fit. Okay, that's all I can fit, unless I can fit one more. You know what, I want to put the Haunted Mansion. Can I fit it? I don't think I can fit it. Okay, this is why I did it in pencil first. Can I put Addams Family over here? And I'm gonna put the Haunted Mansion here. Okay. I'm sure there's a bunch of other movies, but those are kind of the ones that I want to focus on. Yeah, I think that's a good list. All right, so I'm going to go over all this with pen, this marker. Addams Family. Halloween Town. So yeah, let me know what your favorite Halloween movie to watch is. Do you like more of this scary stuff? Because I know there's a lot of scary movies. They come out with them all the time now. Before, in the past, it used to be only like during this time of the year, or like Halloween time of the year, that they would come out with a lot of scary movies. Now they come out with them all the time. so there's tons of them. But yeah, I don't care for those movies. I've seen some of them. My sister will let me know if some are okay for me to watch, because she knows I don't like watching those types of movies. But yeah, just not my thing. Okay, and then Beetlejuice. Cute list. Love it. I love all the spooky movie decor. So good. All right, I'm gonna go in and erase. Oh, jeez. I wrote over the sticker. Halloween. Oh no. You know what? I'm gonna fix this one because I don't like the way I wrote it because the sticker is in the way. So I'm just gonna put a sticker over it. That way it doesn't look all weird at the end. Okay. Sorry about that. Halloween Town. Okay. I don't think any of my other ones have that issue. No. Okay. Everything else should be good. So I'm just gonna erase these. Oh, I didn't do Casper. Oops. Okay. Oops. I don't know if there's any like newer, because these are all older movies. That's honestly like the older movies are better than what's coming out now. But are there any newer Halloween movies? Because like I said, I watched Hocus Pocus, the second one, and I didn't care for that. So I wouldn't add that again to my list. It was like a one and done kind of situation for me. But are there any other like newer, this type of Halloween type of movie that I should be maybe adding to this list? Let me know. But yeah, I tend to just watch these kind of movies. You know another movie I just thought of that I kind of want to watch? I mean, it's not really Halloween, but like Death Becomes Her. That's another good movie too. I don't even know where I would watch that, but I think this is a good list for just now. If I want to add anything, I could always go to the back and add more. I have tons of stickers left in here to be able to do that if I wanted to make another page and have it themed to this. I need a little, I'm gonna clear this up a little bit. But yeah, if I wanted to do another side of Halloween movies, so if you guys have any recommendations, I could always add them to the back of the list, and maybe they'll make the front of the list next year. But that is going to be it for this video. Again, make sure to check out this awesome Posh Halloween book along with all the other fall themed items that are coming out today from Love Posh. That is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Links to my affiliate link to purchase and my discount code are in the description. So if you plan on purchasing, don't forget to use somebody's discount code at least to get 10% off. But yeah, that's going to be it. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.